This really is one of my favorite days of the year. Welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover Boca Bash Edition, where all the captains come running through Boca Inlet for a big party day down here on Lake Boca. It's a little rough out today. Going to be interesting to see how our captains fare against the inlet. This, of course, is going to bring us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, the boats are going to toss a Robalo in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get on the board first. But let's go. Round one, ring the bell. And here we go as our crew is working their way toward the mouth of Boca Inlet. Our girl up front, man, what is she doing? No. Literally just drops the beer can right in the water. And they know that they're all being filmed at this point in time. We're not even the only camera crew out here at Boca. Unreal. But don't worry, Boca gets its revenge. Once they get offshore, Boca decides to fire back and knock her on her tail, and this crew winds up having one heck of a rough ride as they work their way out of the inlet. But again, Boca had to get its revenge, and I'll guarantee if she understands Mother Ocean that she's regretting the decision now, as she can't even get up. She's tried multiple times, and every time she tries, she winds up knocked right back into the deck. Unfortunately for this crew, with the whole litter situation, her not being able to stand up, I have no choice but to go ahead and give this first round to Boca Inlet. That's going to give Boca a 1-0 edge as we move into the second round. And here in the second round, we're going to see a trophy stepping in the ring to try and see if we can go ahead and get the boats on the board. Let's go as our crew works their way in. So we got a couple people standing and a full send cap going, baby. My man actually has the throttle opened up on this little boat, sends it right into Boca, no issues. And this crew will easily take a win for the boats here in the second round, which is going to bring us to the third round of our contest, and things are picking up. It is getting busy down here, and here in the third round, the boats are going to toss a Von Dutch in the ring to see if they can keep that momentum going. One of the bigger boats we've seen come out of the inlet so far today, and this should be no issue. But I do got a question. Do you think there's enough life jackets on this boat for everybody we see sitting here? Well, we just lost something. Something went flying off. Somebody's purse or bag wasn't secured, and all of a sudden, there we go. It goes flying off the deck of the boat, and that's not good. And Boca is claiming victims left and right today in the most unexpected ways. Unfortunately, this crew losing the bag, they're going to take the loss as well. And that's going to bring us to the fourth round of our contest. Boca's got the slight 2-1 edge. And I'm not going to lie, I have no earthly idea what this vessel is. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments below. But we've got a cat coming in to contend with Boca, try and make their way into the party over here on Lake Boca, and the party crew is getting it started before they even make it into the inlet. Unfortunately, this is a pretty large boat, which means Boca's probably going to struggle with this one, and our crew is going to easily probably make it into the inlet, as we can see here. Plenty of space on this deck for this crew to get out there and enjoy themselves, and also enjoy their win in this round, as they're going to wind up taking it down, which is going to take us to the fifth and final round of our competition. We are now tied at 2 apiece, and here in the fifth round, we've got a Concept 44 stepping in the ring to try and see if they can close it out for the boats. Let's go, round 5. Who will take the win? This crew is taking it easy, still enjoying the party a little bit as they're working their way out of the inlet. Pink Flamingo hanging out on the back. Cap opens up the throttles to get this boat up on plane and tries to let her eat. Let's see how they wind up doing. Oh, they've got a fender out. So the crew's working their way out of the inlet. That thing is smacking around everywhere. Is Boca going to claim another victim? Is it going to knock it loose, or will they make it free? No! The crew winds up making it out okay, but they wind up losing the fender. Again, just wild things going wrong today. Kind of not how we saw this day going. It's really not crazy rough out here, and it's progressively gotten a little calmer throughout the day. But unfortunately, some of these crews, I guess that's what happens. When you're sitting in there at the sandbar, enjoying yourself, having a little too much fun, you forget some of the simple things, like removing a fender or placing a bag somewhere where it won't blow away. Unfortunately, Boca brought this crew to a stop as they had to come back and get this, meaning Boca's going to take the win in this round as well. And Boca's going to take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.